I look for any reason that I can fire up the smoker, and in this video, I'll smoke a meatloaf. Now, meatloaf is delicious in the oven. There's no denying that, but just imagine how incredible it would be if it was smoked. And this recipe is very simple. Meatloaf is one of those things that everyone has the best recipe for, as it is as much of a comfort food as any other dish out there. There are many variations to meatloaf. This is why it is so much a popular dish. This smoked meatloaf recipe is very similar to my traditional oven-baked recipe. There are onions, peppers, and garlic in the meat mixture, as well as an egg and some breadcrumbs. So let's get started. Start your barrel house cooker, and while the coals are ashing over, get your vegetables ready for the meatloaf. I like to cut the peppers and the onions in little bite-sized pieces. Toss your burger into the large mixing bowl. Add the peppers and onions, salt, pepper, breadcrumbs, and an egg, and a bit of ketchup. Now mix it thoroughly and shape the meatloaf into a log and place it on a wire mesh rack. Close the lid, and in about an hour, check the meatloaf. The internal temperature should be around 160 degrees, and this loaf is done. The meatloaf is perfect, sliced and served with mashed potatoes and coleslaw. I also cut a few slices and made smoked meatloaf sandwiches. I enjoy meatloaves cooked in the oven, but smoking them took it to a whole new level. Well, there you have it. A simple meatloaf recipe that is super simple to make and tastes awesome. Share your meatloaf recipe in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Berlin Birch. I'll see you next time.